close. I feel like the Falcons are always one step ahead. Don't you, Captain? I know, Captain. I haven't given up either. I can see it now, Nagase.
Yeah.
It'll be tough reaching that altitude. Hey, is everything okay?
What do you mean? Wait, the Arcbird! It just jettisoned something.
It was an escape capsule.
Adler to Shansei. He got away.
The Osean astronaut?
Yeah, it's alright. We don't need him anymore. Oh, damn it. He must have done something to the control system before he got away. Turn off that switch. Damn, we're slowing down. We're gonna dive deep into the atmosphere.
Captain, this is Archer. Doesn't the Arcbird's approach path seem too deep? Its altitude is too low for an orbit change. That white bird was a symbol of hope for Captain Nagase.
And now, she must try to shoot it down.
I'm in attack position. Awaiting orders.
What? The Osean army's supposed to be wrapped around our finger. Who the hell?
Black bodies, that emblem. It's them. The ghosts of Rosgraves. Survivors from the Omnier Squadron told me about them.
Launch the Vogels. Get rid of them.
Multiple unmanned fighters! They're coming this way!
That launch port must be the original design.
Falcons modified it?
I'm engaging the smaller aircraft deployed from the Arcbird. Blaze, permission to separate? Roger, dispersing.
Shansei to Adler. Do whatever it takes to gain altitude.
Counting down from additional boosters.
I knew all about the Arcbird. I was in love with it. I used to stare at the blueprints all the time. That big engine, it was a booster designed to give it enough speed to escape the atmosphere. If we destroy that, it will never make it into space again.
Gonna destroy the Arcbird. Are you sure about this?
Easy. President will build another one for us.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition. Thrust increasing.
The Arcbird descending again!
I heard Omnia was destroyed by those guys.
Don't worry. The Arcbird is invincible.
If the Rosgraves manage to shoot us down,
It's not going to happen, so there's no need to think about it.
Rocket boosters destroyed!
damn it, we're falling again.
Adler, you are aware of the backup plan, right?
I know. Let it forgive my Osean territory and set off the nuke.
Your sacrifice will never be forgotten.
It changed bearings. It's heading south now.
What are they thinking?
Where are they? Are they heading for Osean territory?
It penetrates Ocean airspace and self-destructs. It'll be a catastrophe.
The rear engine! Destroy the engine on its back! It's hard to fathom their desire to spread rockets from the Earth. Can you believe it, Dylan? They're deep in their hatred, I suppose. But it's still hard to
It's still flying. Are we going to make it in time? Roger. It should be hurting pretty badly at this point.
Carrying out the backup plan may be impossible under these conditions. Altitude dropping. Controls malfunctioning.
Artbird still descending.
What a pitiful sight.
Yes, and humans are responsible for it.